I just got 3 hours of hands-on time with the new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and it's literally Samsung's most well-rounded phone. It's still the best phone with a stylus, and I find the included S Pen to be a hidden gem. But it also has rounded corners this time, eschewing the boxy look of the old Galaxy Note days. It feels way more comfortable in the hand, and this new jet black color with a black frame that's exclusive to the Samsung store makes the titanium design really look great. You can get an exclusive $50 off using my link on any of the colors. Samsung's AI agents are the big upgrade for this year's phone. You can actually ask Bixby and Google Gemini complex questions like, give me a burger restaurant recommendation in San Jose that allows pets, and text them to my friend Chris. Galaxy AI's ability to understand multi-step commands is what Apple Intelligence is only striving to be. Samsung got here first. There's a new vapor chamber that's significantly bigger than last year's S25 Ultra vapor chamber, keeping the phone cool even during long gaming sessions. And Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chip is here to power all the AI in gaming, including visual AI. Basically, visual AI is what the Rabbit R1 was trying to do, only Samsung is executing on it. There's a new 50 megapixel ultrawide camera that's up from 12 megapixels, joining the 200 megapixel main camera and the 10 megapixel 3 times and 50 megapixel 5 times telephoto cameras. Those two camera sensors do remain the same, but Samsung's post-processing offers better night photos, what they call nightography. The new Samsung Log mode allows for color grading raw video in case you're a pro that wants to dive deep into video color correction. To be candid, not every one of Samsung's AI features work perfectly. I found AI Erase to be hit or miss. It's handy when it gets it right, but that's not always the case. The Shortcut team will have reviews of all 3 new Samsung Galaxy S25 phones. So like, subscribe, and stay tuned to theshortcut.com for those full reviews.